Hey guys, Danny Johnson here, back with another luxury home walkthrough. This one is up on a beautiful mountain. They actually built this lot 12 feet higher. And so check out these cool encaged rock features. What do you think about that? I think it's pretty cool. So this one comes in at $1.4 million, 2,500 square feet, 3 bedrooms, 3.5 bath, and a 3-car garage. So coming right in, you have an office off to the side here, and it has beautiful views. So take a look at these mountains. It had just snowed around here, so that looks very nice. And so this has a bathroom right off it. So it could be used as a bedroom rather than an office. That's just how they had it set up. And I really like this tile work with its different design. Right across, you have another bedroom. So this one they have set up with 2 beds in it, just to show it could fit that. It'd be better probably with just 1 bed in here. And very nice tile on the bath surround as well. And a normal size closet. Okay, so here's the front door here, a little entry hall. Our rooms were off to the right, and so you also have this nice little bathroom off to the side, a little restroom for visiting guests, or if you don't want to go into the bedroom. And here's the living room. So nice layout here, very beautiful built-ins with the fireplace. And so got your floating shelves in there with some nice lighting. I think that made a nice touch. Big sliding glass doors. That's been a trend that we've been seeing lately. And so that is leading out to the back. You have a nice grilling area with a huge covered patio. So that's very handy with the heat that we get here in southern Utah. But beautiful pool, a nice 2 little waterfalls, and look at this view out here. Again, this lot was built up pretty high. Here's the kitchen, very designer looking kitchen, nice little pendants hanging down here, and formal dining area here right off to the side. Big beautiful windows here looking out over the pool and over your view. We have a nice hidden pantry here off to the right. It's part of the cabinets. So basically the cabinet door opens and you come back through here, and it is a walk-through straight to the garage. So that's very handy for bringing groceries in. Very nice looking backsplash here, fun tile design there, and some floating cabinets. You have your refrigerator, oven over on this side, some pretty tall cabinets, so you might need a step ladder. Notice how they did different colors too on the inside of the cabinets. We've been seeing that trend a little bit. And here's another view of that butler kitchen. So here you have your washer and dryer, your laundry room, and I really like how it walks through into the master closet. So you don't have to walk all the way around to do your laundry. It's right through there on a nice door, nice little safe in here, and some nice built-ins. So a little toilet here, and let's take a look at this shower. This is beautiful. I really like the tile in this. They did the tub inside the shower that we're seeing a little bit, but I like the dark and the lighter colored tile, the contrast that they did there. The counters were very nice, a little bland there, but they do look nice. And so just a clean look to those, big mirrors on them. And here's the master. Check out this feature in the middle. They have a little floating fireplace, little divider wall here. And so this master is very big. So I guess they just wanted to separate the space a little bit with a fun fireplace. And so that's a cool ambience. I could imagine that with the lights off, it'd be nice and soothing. And so here's another view out the backyard. Very big windows in the master. Some nice windows behind the bed. So now we've kind of come back out here to the dining room. And so that's how you'd get to there. But I wanted to show you again just some of these beautiful built-ins by the fireplace in the front. And we'll go outside here and look at our nice grilling view. That would be a lot of fun to make food with this beautiful view. This was right at sunset, so it looked fantastic. But see how high up we are? That's nice. You're not really having any neighbors looking into your backyard. They're down below you. But beautiful pool. Had a nice little step, and then it went deeper in after that. So nice way to gently get into the pool. And you have the hot tub that overflows into the pool to heat the pool. So nice setup here with some nice surrounding cement that you can sit on. So that's nice. And beautiful fireplace here, and a nice little putting green. So walking around the side, plenty of room on the side of the house as well. Garage, traditional, you got 2-car here, but you do get a very large RV garage here that goes back in, so I thought that was nice. So anyway, thanks for watching. Please check the video description. I have more videos that are similar to this. If you're new to the channel, feel free to subscribe. Thanks, guys.